Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Jukta and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY.
And it goes a little something like
You all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep
So after a long time, I'm finally doing another haul video. That is also an Amazon haul video. I am a person who purchases a lot of things from Amazon in a regular basis, but like I have this thing, okay? I purchase a lot of rubbish things, okay? Like really rubbish things. What I purchased the last day, I have to show you guys. Wait. Is this is for making keychains, okay guys. So I purchased these things from Amazon. So it's very rare for me to buy clothes from anywhere. Basically it can be anywhere, physical store, online store, does not matter. I don't usually shop for clothes and jewelry, but this time I thought I should, and why not? So I bought a bunch of clothes from Amazon, and also I have one jewelry piece from Amazon which I wanted to show you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First product I want to talk about is this top I'm wearing. It's a crop top. It's a corded crop top. The material is super soft and super comfortable. It's great for summers. You don't have to worry about it being like bulky and heavy, because it is not. Trust me, it's a kind of corded texture, but it is super nice and super breathy. You can wear it all along your summer days. It's great for all the college goers and all the like teenagers out there. Super nice, comfortable crop top which I am in love with. It's also rainbow, like a lot of colors, stripes is there, so I am in love with this top. The next product I want to talk about is also a crop top. It's a lavender color sleeveless v-neck crop top. It's super amazing, okay? It's one of my favorite crop tops till date. I have always wanted to have a lavender crop top, but somehow, for some reason, I have never purchased one. And lavender and these shades are my favorite colors, and I don't have any particular clothing item in my closet. So I thought I should just get my hands in these, because I cannot lose this opportunity again of just shopping. So I just wanted to get my hands on these. So I got it, and it's super comfortable. I love the V-neck it has. It is super amazing. So the next thing I purchased is this amazing dress. It's kind of a A-line dress. It has a kind of a black backless kind of a dress with like just the sleeves in a crisscross format. I don't know how to explain it. You can just see it in the picture in the video right here, but yeah, it's like that, and it's super nice. It is of polyester quality, but honestly it is amazing. It does not feel hot. I used to think that polyester materials make you feel hot, but this material does not. I have been wearing I just tried. See, I'm not going out, okay? I'm not going out. Yes, so I'm not going out. You need to understand this fact. So I just tried wearing that dress at home. I just did that. I wore for a few hours and I was not feeling hot, so that's a bonus, okay? That's a bonus. So the next thing I purchased is these wide fitted pants. This is high-waist pants, high-waist jeans. I always wanted to have like straight wide jeans for myself, and also the material is so light and so thin. Not very thin, but it's jeans, but it's not like very thick jeans material. So I love this. You can literally sit, squat, do whatever you want to in these pants. Basically I am in love with this pants. So guys, get your hands on these pants. The last but not the least is this jewelry item I am in love with. I always wanted to have like a neck piece with 2 layers or 3 layers in it. So I found this super cute and adorable, so I wanted to quickly get my hands on this, so I just bought it. It is super nice and it comes in a very cute little packaging. I love this, and also you can wear it with basically your western outfits with like a top or a dress which has a bit wider neck, so you don't feel your neck to be empty. You can just wear this necklace. It is super nice and super pretty. Also guys, all of the links of these products will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out and shop if you like any of them, and it'll be great. Also guys, if you shop any of these items and you are wearing them, don't forget to send me a picture of yourself in that particular top and send it to me on my Instagram DM. I will definitely check it out and maybe kind of put it in my status as well. So please guys, if you purchase it, don't forget to share a picture with me on my Instagram. I'll put the handle right here and it also will be mentioned in the description box, so you can check it out. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Share this video with your friends and comment down below if you like these haul kind of videos, so that I can do more hauls for you guys. And until the next time, bye bye.